Maintaining humidity below 45% in refuge chambers is generally difficult. When using Hopcalite catalyst, a desiccant should be installed at the catalyst inlet to absorb and filter out moisture. This allows dry air to pass through the Hopcalite catalyst layer, converting the carbon monoxide present in it into carbon dioxide. In actual use, Hopcalite catalyst should not be used continuously. Instead, the carbon monoxide layer should be removed as the carbon monoxide concentration decreases to within a certain range to prevent excessive moisture from passing through and poisoning the catalyst. The Hopcalite catalyst layer should only be placed on an air purifier when necessary to treat harmful carbon monoxide.